I use the Wet n Wild Concealer Corrector in the lightest one they have, and then I think this is the third lightest shade. The numbers are gone off the bottom of this, so put those in your problem areas. I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation in 112. This is not the lightest. I have the lightest shade and it makes you look very pale. So I'm not going to personally set my face, but if you're going to go out and wear this long wear, like to a party, something like that, definitely consider a very good setting base. We're gonna go into her eyebrows. She's got some very thin eyebrows, so I'm gonna do my best to try and do with that what I can. So I'm gonna take the NYX Primal colors in Hot Red. This will stain your eyes. The thing that kills me though is that you only ever see half of her face in the movie anyway, which sucks. But we're gonna do the whole face. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Chill Girl. I love this. This is the perfect base for anything that you're gonna work with that's colored. Anything that's not colored, perfect. We're gonna go into one of my favorite colors palettes is the Profusion Spectrum palette. You can literally get this at Walmart. You can get this anywhere the drugstore pretty much sells anything. Very hit and miss, but comes in handy when I need it. I'm gonna take the color Rain, which is this pretty purple color right here, and I'm gonna pat that all over my lid. Bring this up. You want to bring it up in like an oval shape. Done. I'm gonna go in with a slightly darker purple from the Belle Jordan palette. It's made by Makeup Session, and the colors 13 to kind of help with the definer, and then I'm gonna place Miami on top in the middle of the eye to give it that shimmer, and then we're possibly gonna go in with some glitter. I have not decided yet if I want to go down that route. Almost identical to the color they used on her in the movie. Almost. We're just gonna do some basic liner. I don't think she's got any on the bottom that I know of. I'm going to take This is Sunkissed Beige. This is actually a foundation, believe it or not, but it works really well for contouring and I really love it. So we're gonna take the Sunkissed Beige. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. I'm just gonna put that in my areas where I need to contour. And she's got these really, really high, nice cheekbones. Take my foundation brush I used in the beginning. A lot of people just use a contour brush. I don't, just because that's me. So we're gonna go in and buff that in with whatever foundation's left on here. Okay, so we're gonna go in with some highlight because we're really gonna get that illusion of the cheekbones that we need. And I'm actually gonna go in, once I can get it to whatever, I think it died. We're gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I used this in my last video. And we're gonna take, I almost wanna take Spectra. Spectra's this purple color, but I think that would almost be too much. So we're gonna take Luna because it's this really, really nice. Because essentially this is what you're going for. You'll have this whole side like done. So I might scop out on the wig. And I think I'm gonna take this NYX Matte Lipstick in Perfect Red because I really don't want to go in and be using a liquid to matte because it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get off right now. Other than that, as far as makeup goes, this is our final look. Now, imagine it only in red. And we're good. I love it. I love that I almost have a fake beauty mark because of, you know, zits. That happens. If you guys want to stalk me anywhere else on social media, my handles are at The Reject Queen, Twitter, Instagram, also Facebook, and on YouTube. But yeah, appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I will see you